What is up? I'm gonna make a iced French vanilla latte. So these are really simple to make. There's really not much to it. Just gonna measure out the 16 grams as always. Should be 16. And it's not. There we go. Turn that up. It's the half and half I use. And really with iced lattes, that I make at least, I just extract it directly into the cup. If I have a cup that I can fit under the spout and everything, of course. Add some ice, and that's pretty much it. Trying to get these grounds off the edge right here. All right. Sorry if the hands are dirty. I was skating yesterday and messing with my boards and my hands kind of dirty. Let's see. Let's add the ice first, actually. We'll double over that. Pressure's perfect. And before I forget, I'm gonna add about 1.5 pumps of vanilla to that, and I'm also going to mix it up a bit. I should have done this before I added the ice, but don't worry about it. I'll just pour the half and half until we're at the level we want to be. There y'all have it. French vanilla iced latte with a bit of marbling too. Hopefully y'all can see it okay. But yeah, it's really that simple. Really fast, good tasting drink. So thanks for watching as always. And yeah, more soon.